Enable RCS messaging on Android and turn your simple SMS into a supercharged chat experience. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So, as always, let's start from the beginning. First, open the Messages app. In the Messages app, go to your profile on the top right side. After opening your profile, scroll down and you'll find the Message Settings option. Go into that. In Settings, go into the General option. Inside General, you'll see the RCS Chat option. RCS Chat is an upgraded version of normal SMS that lets you send messages over the internet instead of only using mobile balance. It supports features like read receipts, typing indicators, sharing high-quality photos, group chats. In RCS Chat, the first option will be Turn on RCS Chat. Turn that on. After turning it on, you'll see more options below. You can switch those on or off according to your preference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.